Alright, so this is the door from the passenger side of the car. We decided to get a new door, so we're going to unbox the brand new door for the car in just a second. But we're going to show you kind of why we decided to get new doors. Let me flip this over. The previous owner did a lot of work to the doors. We did spend a lot of time on it, but there's so much work that's been done, we decided to go with new ones. One of the things is he welded in a new bottom here, and then on the lips on these doors, he went in and filled in all the lips all the way around with a filler. So this section in here, there should be a lip, and you should see the lip where it ends. I'm not sure if that's the brass that he was using, but there's a lot of filler in here. And all that's going to do is that's just a recipe for this stuff to start cracking. This is one of the first things that I look for in a car to see what kind of shape the doors are in, is the bottom section of the doors. So seeing this was concerning to me all the way around. And there are a couple cracks. There's some cracks right here. So this is one of the reasons we decided to change these doors out. You can see a weld line across here going all the way down where this was worked on. But the biggest reason and the biggest concerning reason, I don't know if you can see it here. So all of this in here are welds that have been replaced.
You can point to that again. Oh yeah, I can see that.
See that? Right along here. This was replaced with metal, but you can see it. There's a lot of marks in it, and if you look in here, there's a lot of hammer marks where this metal was beat in.
Really good in this section.
Look up in here, and you can see how much these doors were beat on. And I'm not sure why they were done like this, but there's a ton of marks where the doors are just beat on.
Oh yeah, looks like a volcano.
Right, so with all these marks and all these bumps, that means there's filler on the other side to make that smooth. There's really no reason to do that, because the whole goal is when you're repairing metal is you would beat these bumps out from the backside and make everything smooth. You want to have smooth metal before you put your bodywork on, not dense.
Do a scan across it.
So these are the new doors from Golden Star Classic Auto Parts. We did get these through Real Deal Steel in Sanford, Florida. So we're going to unbox it and show you what it looks like when you get the doors out of the box. They do a good job of boxing it, protecting it. You got boxes on both sides with the heavy cardboard, the bubble wrap, and then stuff to protect it here. So we're just going to reach in there, grab it, and pull it on out. So, I want to do a comparison of the two doors and show you how well these doors are built. These doors are built in 18 gauge steel, which is the original gauge of steel. There's no dents, no dings. Don't know if you can see this lip, the way the door is folded over. There's a lip here. You might be able to see it with the light here. It's folded over. So in this other door, all that was filled in. So if we do a comparison, the doors have all the original holes. It's got the original holes for the hinges. If you look down across here, they've got the original holes for the weather stripping going all the way around. They've got the original drain holes on the bottom, like the original. So here's the original drain holes here across the bottom. And then they have all the holes here for the interior to go back in, all the holes and fitment for the handles. And what we're going to do is we're just going to transplant everything from this door. We'll take these parts off, clean them, refurbish them. When you do this, you got to make sure that you take everything off these doors. There's little clips across the top, and these clips are for the interior molding that goes across the top. This is what holds that in. These little clips here hold your interior garnish molding on. So these will literally pop out, and then we're going to put those onto the new door. So as you can see, the new door with the old door, all the creases, all the lines, everything is, they're very well made. It's original 18 gauge steel, but you got a brand new door with no dents, no dings, no body filler, no welds, no problems anywhere. Once it's put on the car and we work on any of the gap issues and it's painted, you're not going to be able to tell these reproduction doors from the original doors.
What's going on? What have you been working on?
So today we're going to talk about the paint colors that we're going to choose, and the original color of the what was mist green in the front, right? And Neptune was the darker green.
Start
in the
over
back.
again.
Start over?
Seamless.
Seamless.
And don't look like you stayed up all night.
All right, so today we're going to talk about the color of the car. It was sea mist at the original colors for the front of the car, and Neptune dark green for the back of the car. And I'm going to go with a pearl white from the 50s.
Alright, I'm serious. Go ahead.
Oh, all
Start
right.
over again.
All right, today we're going to talk about the color of the original car. It was sea mist green and Neptune green for the back. It was a darker green, and we're going to go with the sea mist for the front, and we're going to go with the pearl white for the back. And I think it was right. Is that what we're going to do? Oh, okay. So today we're going to talk about the color of the car. Originally it was sea mist, and it was a Neptune green. It was a dark green in the back. We're going to go with a sea mist for the front and a pearl white from the 50s for the back of the car. Yeah, it was
Only a 50s Pro?
whatever. Holy
Yeah,
cow.
I don't know what that was.